Now, China's financial regulators have reportedly invited some of the world's biggest investors to a rare meeting next week. Asia's biggest economy is hoping to encourage foreigners to keep investing as it tries to ramp up growth amid a rise in geopolitical tensions. To be held in Beijing, the meeting next Friday demonstrates China's keenness to shore up investor sentiment. That's amid falling foreign direct investment to China. A net FDI in the first quarter of this year was a negative $30 billion, meaning more investors pulled out. That compares with a positive $60 billion for the same quarter in 2022. Corporate profits are slumping as the economy struggles from an ongoing property slump and rising US-China tensions. The MSCI China Index has nearly halved from its peak in 2021, highlighting weak interest from global investors. Experts say the appetite for investment has been further weakened by a clampdown on foreign consultancy firms, which global investors and MNCs rely heavily on to help understand China. That has happened after a series of abrupt regulatory tightenings on industries ranging from technology to real estate that sent foreign capital fleeing from the nation's financial markets. If the meeting does indeed take place, it would come after China's announcing its second quarter data. Scheduled for Monday, Q2 growth from a year earlier is expected to hit 7.3%, due to, in large part, to a low base in 2022. On quarter, though, its forecast is to expand just 0.5% from the first 3 months. China's central bank has called for patience and confidence in the recovery of the economy, while pledging more policy support to boost growth. Top central bank officials say they have enough room to ease monetary policy if that is needed. They also hinted at possible adjustments to the reserve requirement ratio for banks and further targeted easing of property controls. The PBOC is grappling with several challenges, including the prospect of deflation, subdued economic growth, and a faltering property market. Momentum in China's post-pandemic recovery has slowed sharply after a brisk pickup in the first quarter. Exports fell in June at their fastest pace in the past 3 months. All that putting pressure on policymakers for fresh stimulus measures. Officials today stopping short of signaling cuts to policy rates, suggesting a major adjustment probably is not on the cards just yet. But they did play down risks of deflation.
今年以来 CPI 同比涨幅震荡回落，7月可能还会下行，主要是需求恢复、实质和基数效应，有基数今年这个阶段比较高。 导致的阶段性现象，我国宏观经济稳步恢复 ，M2 保持较快增长，与历史上的典型通缩存在明显的差异。就经济是增长的，货币也是增长的，所以我们说目前没有出现通缩，下半年也不会有通缩的风险。